Every piece tells a story of time. This isn't just rust, it's a layer of history, ready to be carefully peeled away. The battle scars of decades are etched into every flake and crevice, a beautiful decay, holding on to the past. But beneath this weathered exterior, a legend waits. This is where the journey begins. The first step of the rebuild. Clearing the way for what's to come. From this point forward, we're building a new story, one piece at a time. 1967, Mustang Fastback. Let's bring it back. Every piece of rust is a step closer to perfection.
Time to strip away the past. Look at that come right off.
You want to see what 50 years of neglect looks like? It comes off in sheets. The rot runs deep. Every tap reveals a new problem. But this is what a real restoration starts with. The ugly truth.
The first step in any great restoration? Tearing down the old to make way for the new. Every piece of rust tells a story of time. It's our job to write the next chapter. Layer by layer, the true condition is revealed. This is where the real work begins.
Time to strip away the years. Every piece tells a story of neglect. But underneath, the potential is still there. Now the real work can begin.